How to see reposts on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can see all of the posts that you've reposted on TikTok, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. So in this case, what you have to do is simply go ahead and then actually first of all open up the TikTok application here. Once you open up the TikTok application, let's say you reposted a video. For that you have to just tap the share icon, tap the repost option over here, and let's say over the years you have reposted many videos and now you want to find all those. For that, just come to the profile page from the bottom right of the screen, and to find those reposted videos you'll find this little loop icon over here, which is the repost icon. When you tap on it, you'll be able to see all of the videos that you've reposted, and you can go ahead and then unrepost them if you'd like. So this is basically it on how you can repost for TikTok and how you can find these reposted videos. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.